Hello, I am Farm to City. Do you love fresh tomatoes but don't have enough space to grow them? Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to grow wall-mounted tomatoes using plastic bottles. It's simple, space-saving, and produces an abundant harvest. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any of my latest videos. Let's get started. Step 1. Germinating tomato seeds. Germinating tomato seeds is super easy. Simply slice a tomato into thin pieces, place them in a pot of soil, cover with a thin layer of soil, and water regularly to maintain moisture. After 12 days, the seedlings will sprout, reaching a height of 4 centimeters to 5 centimeters. At this stage, you can transfer them to larger pots for better growth. Step 2. Preparing the planting containers. Prepare the soil. Mix 70% clay soil and 30% rice husks to ensure good aeration and nutrients. Prepare plastic bottles. Choose bottles of at least 5 liters. Cut off the bottom part to create space for the soil. Create planting holes. Cut 2 to 3 small holes around the bottle's body, just big enough to insert the tomato stems. Make drainage holes. Poke small holes near the bottle's mouth and body to improve drainage and prevent root rot. After a few simple steps, we now have a fantastic planter made from a plastic bottle to grow our plants. Let's move on to the next step. Step 3. Mounting the bottles and transplanting seedlings. Find the right spot. Choose a wall with enough sunlight to support healthy plant growth. Fix the bottle to the wall. Mark 4 points on the bottle's body, then use expansion screws to securely attach it to the wall. Fill the bottle with soil. Pour in the prepared soil mixture. Transplant the seedlings. Once the seedlings reach 20 days old, they're ready for transplanting. However, if needed, you can transplant them as early as 12 days old. Protect the roots. Before transplanting, wrap the seedlings base with clean paper to retain moisture and reduce transplant shock. Position the plant. Carefully insert the seedling's root through the pre-cut hole in the bottle, then cover it evenly with soil. Caring for your tomato plants. Water once a day to keep the soil moist. After 10 days, the plant will adapt to its new environment and grow well. This is the perfect time to set up a trellis for support. Tomato stems are quite delicate, so be careful to avoid breaking them. After 18 days, the roots develop strongly and the plant begins to flower. Make sure the plant receives sunlight for 8 to 12 hours a day. Fertilizing. As the plant starts flowering, apply vermicompost to provide essential nutrients for bigger, tastier tomatoes. Cover the soil and water it. After 30 days, the plant produces many flowers and fruits begin to form. Some diseases or pests may attack the tomato plant during this time, so be careful. After 55 days, A high fruit setting rate results in a bountiful harvest. At this stage, the plant needs plenty of water to develop its fruit, so make sure it stays well hydrated. After 68 days, the tomatoes ripen beautifully and are ready to be harvested. Ripe tomatoes have a slightly tangy and mildly sweet taste. They are a nutritious food that benefits the body, rich in vitamin C and A, and especially high in lycopene, which is great for health. With this method, you can easily grow fresh tomatoes at home, even in small spaces. It's simple, eco-friendly, and rewarding. Give it a try and enjoy homegrown, delicious tomatoes.